In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google business profile in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and with these steps, you'll be able to boost your business's online presence effectively. To get started with optimizing your Google business profile, first, head over to business.google.com. This is the primary portal where you can manage your business's online presence on Google. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the page. You will see a sign in option. Click on it and sign in using your Gmail or the email account associated with your business. If you were already logged into your Google account before opening this page, you should be directed straight to your business page. However, if not, just ensure you log in correctly and you'll find yourself at your business dashboard. Alternatively, if you're having trouble accessing your profile, you can simply perform a Google search by typing in your business name or My Business. This should pull up your business listing, allowing you to access the dashboard directly from the search results. Optimizing your Google business profile is crucial for enhancing the visibility of your business and increasing traffic. On your business dashboard, there are multiple prompts and options designed to help you optimize your profile. You'll see various suggestions to update or complete your profile information. This might include actions like adding or adjusting your business hours, social media profiles, or other vital details that can enhance your profile. Below the dashboard menu icons, you will encounter even more suggestions on tasks you might still need to do, such as filling out certain fields or uploading new photos. It's essential to pay attention to these prompts as they guide you towards fully optimizing your profile. Take the time to click on the arrow next to the suggestions to explore additional tips and options for improvement. This can provide further insights on how to refine your profile, making it more attractive to potential clients. Remember, the more complete and informative your business profile is, the better your chances are for it to become more visible to people searching for the services or products you offer. Ensuring that every available field is filled and all relevant information is accurate not only improves your searchability, but also builds a stronger trust with potential customers. In conclusion, regularly updating and completing your Google business profile not only helps with visibility but also ensures you present a professional and reliable image to new prospects. Keep exploring the dashboard and stay up to date with all the suggestions Google offers to maintain an optimized and effective business profile.